Justin, so I've been asking you a lot of questions today.
Yep.
For me right now, what really hits home, it's winter. I'm from the Midwest, it's nasty. My wife constantly wants to wash her car, and I'm glad she does, but really there is no answer I can give her as how we're gonna do that when it's 20 degrees out or 15 degrees out, and her car's full of salt.
So you just can't break out a hose is what you're telling me.
You can, it'll split. And then you create an ice rink in the driveway.
Well, with that, and that's a tough situation, right? So there are items, or I should say products on the market that are rinseless based products, and that allows you to be able to do it in the convenience of your own home. Okay. And there are a lot on Autogeek's website for that reason.
All right, Justin, so digging through the website, I'm pretty good at that. This is what I found. Is this the right products we can use to get the job done?
Absolutely, this is very popular. This is the Wolfgang Uber SiO2 Rinseless.
Okay.
And the thing about this product is it has a original version, but this one stepped it up with the SiO2 in it being ceramic based, of course. That helps add a little bit more slickness, or I should say a lot of slickness with this product. But overall, the concentration level, this is something that you basically get 2 gallons of water in your bucket and 1 ounce, and that will accommodate a mixture that will allow you to basically wash the vehicle in the convenience of your garage. And with that, you could do it with room temperature water, or if you want to boost it up for some more cleaning power, you could use some warm to hot water, which is really nice.
Break everything down, that's salt, because the vehicles, I'm telling you, they can get pretty nasty. We go driving through salt, driving through sand, all kinds of stuff, and it clings. Will it be able to pull it off without damaging the vehicle?
Yes, and there's a couple different ways, of course. You would want to make your mixture, which would be the 1 ounce to 2 gallons, and then you have 2 different wash tools here. You have the Speedmaster Rinseless Sponge, which is really nice, and then you have also a Rinseless Mitt. So this is more personal preference on which way you'd want to go. I like to use the sponge personally, but this is something you would dip in the bucket, and then linear you would run across the panel and then re-dip to get off the dirt. This will help encapsulate the dirt, drag it to the bottom. That way you could re-dip again. The other thing, like you had mentioned with the heavier soil, with the salt and stuff like that, you could actually do a pre-mixed solution in a spray bottle, a pump sprayer, and pre-soak the surface. That way it helps bring that from the surface to make it easier for you as you wipe across.
I love the foam gun.
Yeah, those are nice. Those are nice. You wouldn't be able to use this necessarily in a foam gun, but
you get that idea.
But you get the same idea.
And kind of start doing it, working its magic on its own.
Yes. That way it makes it easier for you. And then there's less opportunity to drag those particulates across the surface and scratch it and reintroduce anything that you wouldn't want into a nice clean surface.
Can I ask why you chose the sponge over that as personal preference?
I just like the grip of it, and then with the way that this sponge is, with the waffle-like look to the top here, and you'll see the little slits here. This allows you to actually grab the dirt and get the dirt inside of that, so you could have better opportunity. Cool. Yeah, this, it does a good job, but it's personal preference. Yeah. Okay. This one you could contour more surfaces because you get your hand inside, but I just got big hands, so I like to be able to grab this.
You can wash it indoors in the middle of the winter. You're not going to create an ice rink, and you can stay out of the car wash, honey. You don't have to go to it.